Deputy CM Ajit Pawar is now facing flack from his political rivals for allegedly bursting out at the very public which actually voted him to power. In fact, addressing a public meeting at his constituency of Baramati, Ajit Dada seemingly lost his cool when voters tried to forward their grievances and complaints to the NCP leader. In a fit of rage, the Maharashtra Deputy CM told the public, his own voters, that just because they voted for him doesn't mean that they are his masters. Listen in.
अरे तुम्ही मत दिली म्हणजे माझे मालक नाही झाला का सालगडी का अरे तुम्ही मत दिली म्हणजे माझे मालक नाही झाला का सालगडी का केलं मला.
All right, interesting comment there coming in from Ajit Pawar. My colleague Shweta joins us on the broadcast. Shweta, Ajit Pawar is known for his tongue-in-cheek comments. He, of course, has his own sense of humor, but this reeks of arrogance.
Well, that's right, Ashish. In fact, once again, we find netas with their arrogant comments to blatant statements to the public. And this is where in Maharashtra, in his own constituency, Baramati, Mr. Ajit Pawar, who is Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, had lost his cool apparently. And he stated to one of the voter there who was attending his rally while he was trying to explain his grievances to Mr. Pawar. Mr. Pawar lost his cool and he said that it doesn't mean you're my master if you have voted for me. So clearly this statement has shocked everyone. In fact, on social media also, Ashish, that has drawn pretty much flack for Ajit Pawar. Between this, what we also understand here is that supporters of NCP have claimed that Ajit Pawar is quite known to be witty, and such statements do come. It should be taken in a humorous nature, not should be criticized. But again, when we understand the context here, his tone was pretty much stern in that way, where he shunted the voters, stating that if you have voted for me doesn't mean you have become my master. So once again, a clear picture where we see netas doing their arrogance and giving such blatant statement. And this time it has come from Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. While addressing a rally in Baramati, he stated this to one of his voters.
Absolutely, Shweta. What's more shocking is that a few voters were also seen cheering for him, even as he of course, made the statement. Interesting development there coming in. But I appreciate you joining us on the broadcast, getting us all those details. All right, we was on that note.